5:48 and I'm at the airport alone. Waiting for Jessica. Oh, it's so awkward here because I'm alone and there's a lot of people at 5:48. I didn't know everybody goes to the airport at 5:48 and we couldn't book the same car because we couldn't fit the luggage in because we got 4 luggage in total. So we had to book separate cars. Okay, so I'm just waiting for her now. We're at Changi Airport Terminal 3. So if you're traveling with a lot of luggages, you should check with the driver first when you book to avoid dramas like this. We're flying to South Korea today at 8:10 a.m. with SIA and I'm so anxious right now because I haven't flown for 3 years since the pandemic and it's nerve-wracking because I forgot all the procedures. Okay, basically it's just me and my stomach. I don't feel that well, but I hope I make it all the way to South Korea without vomiting or what. We wore the same thing. Okay, so Jessica's finally here.
I carry the luggage up the Grab myself.
How heavy is your luggage?
I don't know, it feels super heavy when I carry it up.
Yeah. Oh, I like it. I like how it's in Chan. Please peel here. Oh. Stick here. Huh? Okay, we are heading to the departure. Yeah. It's been 3 years, Changi Airport. Oh, it's so shaky. Okay, we're at the departure. I feel like going now. Toilet! Oh, I need to go toilet. I didn't film. I was just talking stupidly like some... Okay, so I was saying we bought the same clothes and we wore it.
Yeah,
So we are twinning.
it's the whole outfit. Even the pants are the same.
So we are odd one out. So funny. Okay, we are gonna go through the immigration. Let's go.
我先去看一下。
Oh, nice. Oh my god, it's so crowded. Chicken shoyu ramen. Look like the same soup. Okay, I should have ordered this instead of the chicken. 不摇了，摇了。可爱。Okay, so everyone is lining up to board already, and we are chillax because we are in economy. We don't care. We don't care. was so tiring. And then we had a very bad encounter. Okay. Yeah. Oh, really? Okay, we reached. We got our luggage after much anticipation. Okay, let's go get our SIM cards. So we found the SIM card place after walking. How many lanes? It's at door 6 to 7.那个没有，我的没有新卡，所以它 lagging。
你的是6点多啊？
呀，它 lagging。好了，好脏乱。Hello。
他让你拍，我也要拍呀。要不然我今天的就是空。又没有节奏条。啊，这边还比较。
要往前走吗？我记得这里。
就是要看见他们，不讲话的，就这样让慢变化塞。
啊！我直接拍一个 walking video 的感觉，你不觉得吗？
我直接拍一个 walking in
哇，哎，这里有那些 kimbap 哎。这里是每次那个 walking 的人 walking video 他都会走过这里。我终于看到真实的 ，Oh my god！ 哦，你还真的开一个 live 啊？
还没有开啦，只是看我的脸而已。哎呦，很吹。
哎，有 O lens 哎，卖 contact lens， 那种很美的。
哦，你要买吗？
我不懂要不要买，我不敢带哎，因为没有 SD。
它这个。
这是什么来的？ 不会 zoom， 不会 zoom in。
我有没有听到你？
没有。这样 zoom in 啊！我的天。What is a Tinder store? What is that?
네.
好像到头了。哦，我没有看过这样子的耶，哇哦！哦，这个懂耶，不知道。哇，好可怕！
เพราะว่าถ้าสกิปก็คือมาพรุ่งนี้แล้วก็มาถึงแล้วแต่ว่าถ้าไหนๆลงมาแล้วก็